Hi everyone and welcome back. We see some movements in the uranium sector, and because I'm covering the uranium energy and energy fuels stocks in my membership, in my community, I thought, okay, let's break it all down and yeah, let's check it out together. I have already opened here the uranium energy stock, and I didn't make any changes to my last update. So let's break it all down together. The idea is that we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we are maybe in the fifth wave to the upside. That requires that we already bottomed in wave 4. And yeah, that's the question currently. Because it gets now a little bit speculative when we see the current movements, because the idea was that we bottomed here in an ABC in wave 4, and then we should get the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. But even, or let's say in the beginning of this potential wave 1, this structure here was already really speculative as a wave 1. So we already knew that the current move could be some kind of a B wave, and that would really fit pretty well with the current move car. I think so. So my preferred scenario is definitely the blue one with a high B wave. And then we saw here an A wave, B wave, C wave in a larger A wave. And now we saw an A wave, B wave, C wave in the larger B wave, which overshooted here above the third wave high. So it was an A, B, and now we are coming down in a C wave. And as long, my view from my last update was, okay, if this was even a C wave here in the B wave, I wanted to see 5 waves. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 in C of B. But now this idea gets a little bit speculative because we are breaking below the 50% retracement level of the wave 4 here. Let me put out the 38. I put the 60 in, so maybe in a diagonal we can still hold it. But anyway, it's getting really speculative. I make it yellow. And then I put the 50% off. Okay, in a diagonal maybe. Let me put it to the potential wave 2 low in white. Then we have here a 3-wave structure. Here maybe again a 3-wave structure. Maybe C and 3. Like that. This is still possible. I mean, this structure here in white is still possible, but I don't like it. I mean, I would go for the way in blue if we break below the $14.24. That would be my signal that we are in the way on the way towards the blue C wave here. And I will remove here this micro count. So my preferred scenario would be if we break below the $14.24 that we are already in C, in the blue wave C. And then we can measure the with the Fibonacci extension tool here, the 100% extension of wave A to B. So we go to the low of wave A, go here to the, okay, we're already in. Let's, okay, all right. So the 100% extension of the A wave is at $11.40. Here we have it. That's the ideal target of wave C. And then I like the to use the volume profile here, which is currently pointing towards or exactly at $11.90. Okay, let's put that off, and then we have, yeah, let's say $12, and the $11. So this area here could be pretty interesting for potential entries for everyone who would like to get in the C wave. A more secure way would be, yeah, waiting for sure for 1-2 setup. This is no financial advice, but this is how I would trade it. The signal that we are in the blue wave C is, in my opinion, right now the break of the $14.24. Breaking below the $14.24 would be my confirmation that we are in blue wave C and have topped in the blue B wave here. And the ideal target would be at $11.38. We don't have to go to the low to the A wave because we had an overshooting B wave. That means our wave forward reset here, and the key support for our white wave 4 is the level here, and we make it also in yellow. So key support to hold is the $9.44. And how you can trade it, I mean, you can actually, as I told you, scaling in to the C wave, stop loss below the 50%, or what's your risk profile? Yeah, scaling into this and then waiting for wave 1, then the 2, and there we could enter a second trade. Or the more secure way I like actually and prefer is when we come down here and we see the first impulse to the upside. This is our wave 1. Then we should get a 3-wave pullback, A, B, C, and scaling into the wave 2. And from there on, we can trade the third wave to the upside in the 5th wave. Stop loss would be below the wave 1. That's my opinion, and of course, no financial advice, but yeah, signal is that we're coming down the break of $14.24. And now let's jump to the energy fuels chart. Yeah, sorry, I have already my entry here because we traded that in our community. And if you want to join my community, posting there my trades completely transparent. If you want to check that out, in the description down below is a WAP link. And I have currently 90 days for free with the code free90. And yeah, it's a free trial for you. Just check it out. If you don't like it, just, yeah, go away again. You can join and leave whenever you want. And yeah, with the code free90, you get 90 days for free. I'm completely sharing my trades, completely transparent. And this is one of them. I entered energy fuels on New Year's Eve. Here I took the trade at the 1-2 setup. Yeah. And now let's break it all down here. You have all informations for uranium energy. I mean, the chart looks pretty much the same, but as you can see, the idea was that we either get the high B wave here, or we are already in the 5th wave to the upside with an ideal target at $46. Because we are still holding the blue wave 4 support here at $19.85. This one. Make it in yellow, and then this is my key support currently for the wave 4 in blue, because this holds both ideas alive, that we, even in a high B wave, I want to see this A wave, B wave, 1, 2, 3. Support must hold here at $19.84 for a valid wave 4 in C of B. And from there on, we have to check if we get another 4-5 pattern in white. So that's the idea. All right. As long we hold this level here, the $19.85, both scenarios to the upside are still valid. So no changes currently. If we break now below this level here, I mean, then we probably saw some kind of a top. Pretty much the same structure as, yeah, same as uranium energy. If we're breaking here below the 1831, then we have a confirmation that we are in the C wave. Ideal target would be currently, but my preferred scenario is still, as long we hold above the $19.85. My preferred scenario is that we get one more push in either wave C of B or the fifth wave of C of B, or we are already in the fifth waves in white, where we get another 4-5 pattern in white. But if we break below the $19.85, that would be my first signal that we're coming down. If we're breaking down below the $18.31, that would be my confirmation that we are in the C wave. So anyway, let's measure the potential C wave. That's at $12.38. So same procedure as for uranium. And our current point of control is here at $15.17. Okay, let's say 15 in this region. We can expect some, around $15. We can expect some reactions, and this looks currently in as a 3-wave structure here. So I would assume I would definitely go currently for one more push. 1, 2, 3, something like that. And blue. Yeah. If we hold this level here, then the idea here in blue has still a chance, and in white. But I will keep you updated, and if you like this video, then like and subscribe, check out the membership, and if there are some changes in the chart, I will let you know and keep you updated. See you soon. Bye bye.